good morning once again. So this is another video about my second latest trip in Cebu. So we are attending here an awarding ceremony pala sa aming anti-drugs campaign sa municipality. So we're being recognized as one of the national awardee, diba? So kudos to the Municipal Anti-Drug Abuse Council and everyone who have took part in making it a reality. So I am at the 11th floor, checked in at 11th floor, room 1102. So yeah, so ito na yung papasok na aking room. So enjoy!
Hi, good morning. So I'm here at BAI Hotel and I'll show you my room. So I booked this room to attend an awarding. So ito na. Check muna natin. Okay, so first, pag entrance mo dito. On the left side, nandito yung cabinet wardrobe na may safety box, meron na din plancha and everything, may drawer. Dito banda, meron pang coffee, mugs, waters, tapos refrigerator. This area is the toilet. It's very nice actually. So yeah, I'll drain the water muna. Okay. And then, next one, dito yung things ko. Kakagaling ko na, sorry, sa shoes. So, hindi ko na gamit yung bed na to. Mag-check out na ko in an hour. Tapos, dito ako natulog kagabi. Tapos, yan. There's a TV, centralized aircon, my clock. Tapos, dito, may salamin. So, that is my OOTD for today. Tapos dito may upuan and yeah, ganyan yung view ng aking room. So ako lang nasa dito. Tapos ito yung view ko sa labas. Look at the view. I'm facing the seaside. Container vans, Lapu-Lapu City over there, Mactan Bridge. So yeah, I'm in BAI Hotel and I will be checking out in an hour. That's all for today's video. Bye!
All in all, BAI Hotel sets a high standard. Marami akong napuntahan ng mga hotels and accommodations, but nothing compares the services BAI Hotel offers to the public.